As electric vehicles continue to gain traction in the automotive market, homeowners are faced with the critical task of selecting the right home EV charger. The decision-making process involves a thorough evaluation of various factors, including vehicle compatibility, charging speed, and the existing electrical infrastructure. With nearly 70% of EV owners emphasizing compatibility with their specific models, understanding the nuances of different charger types becomes essential. Furthermore, the surge in smart technology integration is reshaping how users interact with their chargers, offering enhanced convenience and efficiency. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best home EV charger and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Blink HQ100. For those looking for a compact, affordable, and user-friendly EV charging solution, the Blink HQ100 is a smart choice. This Level 2 home charger delivers a straightforward and reliable power option for electric vehicle owners, especially those who drive casually or are just beginning their EV journey. With a charging speed of up to 30 amps, it significantly reduces the time it takes to charge your EV compared to standard Level 1 chargers. One of the Blink HQ100's standout features is its plug-and-play design. It comes pre-configured and can be installed with minimal effort, making it a great option for users who don't want the hassle of a complex setup or high installation costs. The unit features a durable 18-foot cable, allowing flexibility in placement and easy reach to your vehicle. It also includes built-in safety features such as overcurrent protection and temperature monitoring to ensure secure and worry-free charging. Users consistently praise the Blink HQ100 for its cost-effectiveness and dependability. It's often described as the ideal entry-level charger that meets essential needs without unnecessary bells and whistles. One reviewer wrote, "Perfect for my needs as a new EV owner, and it doesn't break the bank." A sentiment echoed by many others in the EV community. While it may lack smart charging features like app connectivity or scheduling, the Blink HQ100 delivers where it matters most: reliable and efficient charging at a great price point. If you're a budget-conscious EV owner or simply want a no-fuss solution that gets the job done, the Blink HQ100 is a strong contender worth considering. Number 4. Grizzly Level 2 EV charger. When it comes to outdoor electric vehicle charging, the Grizzly Level 2 EV charger stands out as a tough and dependable option designed for long-term use in demanding environments. Built with durability in mind, this charger is fully weatherproof, making it ideal for outdoor installations where exposure to rain, snow, heat, or dust is a concern. Its heavy-duty aluminum casing and industrial-grade construction ensure that it continues to operate reliably regardless of seasonal changes or harsh weather conditions. Compatibility is another strong suit of the Grizzly. It works with all electric vehicles sold in North America thanks to its standard J1772 charging connector. Whether you own a Tesla with an adapter or a non-Tesla EV like a Chevy Bolt, Ford Mustang Mach-E, or Nissan Leaf, this charger fits right in. With charging speeds up to 40 amps, it offers fast and efficient power delivery to keep your EV ready to go. Installation is straightforward, especially for those comfortable with basic electrical work. Many homeowners appreciate that they can set it up without hiring a professional, provided they follow the instructions and local codes. For even greater convenience, the unit can be mounted on a wall or a pedestal, and its simple plug-in or hardwired options add flexibility. One of the most praised aspects of the Grizzly is its rugged design. Countless users report excellent performance through extreme temperatures and heavy precipitation. As one satisfied user puts it, "I installed mine outside and it has held up great through rain and snow." For EV owners who want a reliable, no-frills charging solution that's built to withstand the elements, the Grizzly Level 2 charger delivers outstanding value and performance year after year. Number 3. JuiceBox 40 Smart Electric Vehicle Charger. The JuiceBox 40 is a highly regarded Level 2 EV charger that combines robust charging performance with smart connectivity features, making it one of the top choices for EV owners seeking flexibility and convenience. With a powerful 40 amp output, it is capable of delivering faster charging times compared to many standard chargers, significantly reducing downtime between drives. It's compatible with a wide range of electric vehicles, including models from Tesla with an adapter, Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, BMW, and more, making it especially practical for multi-vehicle households. One of the standout features of the JuiceBox 40 is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which enables seamless remote monitoring and control through the JuiceNet mobile app. This smart integration allows users to schedule charging sessions, set reminders, track real-time charging status, and receive notifications, all from their smartphones or tablets. This is especially useful for optimizing charging during off-peak electricity hours to save on utility bills. As one user put it, being able to control the charger from my phone is a game changer. Installation is relatively straightforward whether you opt for hardwiring or use the NEMA 1450 plug, and the included mounting bracket ensures a clean, secure setup. The unit is also weatherproof, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Users consistently praise the JuiceBox 40 for its user-friendly interface, durable build quality, and the added peace of mind that comes with app-based control and monitoring. It also supports integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control, further enhancing its appeal for smart home enthusiasts. In summary, the JuiceBox 40 stands out as a feature-rich, reliable EV charger that strikes a balance between power, intelligence, and convenience. Perfect for today's connected lifestyles. Number 2, Tesla Wall Connector. The Tesla Wall Connector is a premium home charging solution designed exclusively for Tesla vehicles, offering a seamless blend of performance, design, and convenience. With its sleek and minimalist aesthetic, it not only complements the modern home, but also stands out as a visually appealing charging unit. One of its standout features is the ability to charge multiple Tesla vehicles simultaneously, making it especially ideal for households with more than one EV. This advanced capability allows for shared charging without sacrificing speed or efficiency. Capable of high-speed charging, the wall connector significantly reduces downtime between drives. Many users report noticeably faster charging sessions, allowing them to get back on the road with minimal waiting. As one Tesla owner shared, quote, "I can charge my car in no time, and it looks great on my wall." This kind of user feedback reflects the wall connector's growing popularity among Tesla drivers who seek both aesthetics and performance. Designed for flexible installation, the wall connector is suitable for both indoor garages and outdoor walls, providing homeowners with versatile setup options regardless of available space. It is also Wi-Fi enabled, allowing for over-the-air firmware updates and smart energy management features. Beyond its technical prowess, the Tesla Wall Connector plays a role in broader environmental goals. In the UK alone, EV drivers helped prevent the release of an estimated 8.4 million tons of CO2e in 2022. Choosing efficient and fast chargers like the Tesla Wall Connector further amplifies the climate benefits of driving electric. With this device, Tesla owners are not only enhancing their charging experience, but also making a meaningful contribution to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Number 1. ChargePoint HomeFlex. The ChargePoint HomeFlex is a premium Level 2 home EV charger, known for its flexibility, performance, and smart capabilities. One of its standout features is the ability to adjust charging power from 16 amps up to a maximum of 50 amps, allowing users to tailor installation based on their vehicle's needs and household electrical capacity. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of electric vehicles and future-proofs it for newer models with higher charging requirements. Designed for universal compatibility, the ChargePoint HomeFlex works with all EVs sold in North America, including Tesla with a J1772 adapter, Nissan Leaf, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Chevy Bolt, and more. Its sleek, compact design allows for indoor or outdoor installation, and it comes with a 23-foot charging cable, giving users flexibility in parking and setup. What really sets this charger apart is its smart technology. Through the ChargePoint app, users can schedule charging during off-peak hours to save on electricity costs, monitor real-time energy usage, and receive charging notifications. The app also integrates with Alexa for voice control, further enhancing convenience. Users consistently praise the HomeFlex for its fast charging speeds, many reporting that it drastically cuts down their charging time compared to Level 1 chargers. As one satisfied owner put it, The ChargePoint Flex has changed how I charge my car. It's so fast and easy. With a reputation for reliability, ease of use, and smart features, the ChargePoint Home Flex is one of the most trusted home EV charging solutions available today. Whether you're a first-time EV owner or upgrading your setup, it offers the performance and flexibility to meet modern electric vehicle charging needs.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.